In this video, we are going to see how we can get the Roblox Studio on your PC or laptop. So if you want to create things, if you want to create your own game, or maybe customize some of the things in Roblox, you need Roblox Studio for that. So if you want to get it on your PC or laptop, here's what you need to do. First of all, just open up your favorite browser and head over and sign into roblox.com. Sign in with your ID, and once you do, you click on the create on the top. And if this is the first time you're opening the creation or creator tab, you will immediately see the Roblox Studio link on the front. But if you have used again and again, even then on the home tab, you will see this get Roblox Studio. All you have to do is just hit download and it will download it immediately. After that, once the download is complete, you click on that and it will process a little bit and directly start installing. It's not like a regular wizard where you need to click next and multiple times. You don't actually need to do anything. If you already have a Roblox ID and Roblox player you're already using, it will just install and open it up directly. So the installation will take some time. Just sit back and relax while it installs it, and then we will see the final screen of it. And as you can see, after downloading it, it starts loading the Roblox Studio and directly we logged into Roblox Studio. If not, you can just sign in with your credentials, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.